It's not just a cough, it could be your body trying to alert you to something more serious. While a mild cough may simply follow a common cold, persistent respiratory symptoms warrant closer attention. If you're experiencing a cough that lasts more than 8 weeks, accompanied by trouble breathing, unexplained weight loss, or chest pain, it's time to consult a healthcare professional. These could be signs of asthma, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, or even more severe conditions like lung cancer. Ignoring these symptoms might delay crucial treatment. Early intervention can be the key to better health outcomes. So the next time a cough seems relentless, remember, your body could be signaling a bigger issue. Prioritize your lung health. It could save your life.